since everyone is a little bit confused about our sinks, I thought I would just show you guys a little tour of our bathroom. That's our patio out there. Our whole ceiling is a light box. Bathtub fits all of our kids. And our shower. So, okay, so the sinks. Kanye drew this. Kanye, Axel Vavort, and Claudio Silvestrin kind of all did this sink. And Claudio was the one that said it should be separated from the wall because it used to be up against the wall, but we thought it would be cooler this way. So 8 versions of this prototype sink was made, and it does actually like slightly slope down that you can kind of see. And there's a slit for the water, and it goes in. You can put it on as high pressure as you want, and no backsplash will come up. Okay, something else I think is interesting is our light switches. They are just 3 little buttons, and they go on, dim, and off. And there's no box around it, which I think is really cool and more visually appealing. So I'm in my bedroom, and I wanted to show you guys something cool. Not just my drapes, but Chloe thought that since I was showing you guys some tech stuff, I should show you guys my TV in my bedroom. Pretty cool, right, Chloe? She wanted me to show you guys this, guys. Oh, my favorite person on the screen. There she is. 130-inch for the bed. And it comes up and down. Looks like the floor. You can stand on top of it.
So cool.
And if you don't want it, then just taking a private 747. This is how he does it now. Only 747s private. I've never even heard of this, but whatever. So, you know, just our room for the long flight. So this is what a private 747 is like, you guys. I've never been on one before, so I'm like, oh my God, there's bedrooms everywhere. No big deal, just like a chill room. This is like endless. We actually brought our trainer on the flight since it's so long, so we can work out here. This is where we're working out, Melissa. You got the weights and everything. This is our gym right here.
Clips, squats.
This is pretty crazy. You guys, the hallway on the plane. Look, this is for lunges. Team Adidas. But wait, there's more. It's a double-decker. Cute. How cute. There's even a little dining room table. You guys, this is insane. Let's go.